Morning, how are we? I'm out for a walk, in case you were wondering what I was doing. I'm parked up. This is the road. Well, Bradfield is down there. The high moors are this way. Herkland Stones, Flint Hill, Cartledge Bents, Back Tor. So I'm going to do that today. From Back Tor, go down to Abbey Brook and back along this same path here. It's supposed to clear up a bit later. It's drizzling a bit at the moment. Bloody drizzling, pissing me right off. And what have I done? I've come out without a bloody coat, ain't I? I've got 2 pairs of waterproof trousers though. What a plonker. What a bloody plonker. It's supposed to brighten up later. It's drizzling now, so I don't know. Shall I just go for it? If I get wet, I'll get wet. Or shall I wait a little while? I might have a cup of coffee in while I wait for, give it 20 minutes or so. The weather is coming from that way. It does look a bit clearer over that way. I'm not parked in a very good spot here. There's bloody great puddles behind me. I opened this door here and there's a 6-inch deep puddle there. I might just go and see if I can park a little bit further along while I'm waiting for it to clear. Be a bit better, wouldn't it? Right. I'll see you when I'm suited and booted. I've come about a mile in this direction. I've got about 4 or 5 miles in that direction. I'm thinking of calling it a day. What's the point? There's just no point. I'm soaking. Car's parked up down here. What a waste of a day, eh? Oh well. Must have done 2 miles, I suppose. There and back. What can I do now? Walk around a reservoir or something like that, maybe? I don't want to totally waste the day. Stopped raining now. Bloody tipping. Sun will be out in a minute. You just wait and see. Never have any luck. Angry. Never have any luck. It's been shit weather all bloody week. Hi, welcome back. Come down to Dale Dyke Reservoir. Just going to do a little circuit of that. About 3 miles I think it is. Add that to the 2 miles I did earlier. Not a total waste of time then, is it? If it rains, well, it's trying. I'm in the trees, so I'll get some wet now. We might get to see some nice autumn colour as we go around. So I might get a few photographs. That's the plan anyway.